What's going on, everyone? It's Caf from Caf_official_Insta, and I'm back with another review for you. You can see the clues. You can see the clues. You can see the clues. Boom, boom, boom. That's the same angle. Uh-oh. Boom, 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 boom. Tick, 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 tick. The Offspring 95 era reissue herringbone marshmallow black exclusive. I said exclusive. I said, excuse me, exclusive. Boom. You see what I did there? And yes, it is a collaboration we've been waiting for a long time. Finally, the guys at Offspring HQ did it. Did you get it? Did you think it was gonna sit? Did you think it was really gonna sit? You thought wrong. It's gone. It's gone. It's sold out. Now, you might still be able to get the slip-on the website or check in your local Offspring store, but these are gone, man. And I'm not gonna be biased, but a couple people said to me these are better than the Fog Vans. I'm sorry, but I can't be in control of what other people think. Some people are telling me they think these are better than the Fog Vans. Now, that's a big statement. That is a big statement. But the guys at Offspring, shout out Mantac, these guys knocked this one out of the park. And now, we're gonna look at some close-up shots and describe what is one of the best Vans to drop this year. Again, you can say I'm being biased, but I just don't care. So, first of all, immediately what you'll notice is the midsole Offspring logo print. And this is, I don't even know how they got it to look like this. It's like raised, but not embroidered, but then not painted on. It's the level of detail is unbelievable. So you've got the rubberized, or it's not really vulcanized, but you've got the rubberized midsole. You've got the gum sole. You've got suede on the toe box, a very, very plush suede. And for the price of usual Vans and for a collaboration, the price was very reasonable. And considering the materials used on this, I mean, it's one of the best Vans in my collection already. I've worn this so many times. Right, I'm getting carried away. So on the heel counter, you've got the same black suede. You've got the herringbone design on the medial and lateral sides. And you get 3 choices of laces. Now, you'll find most people have gone for the special, what we're calling the OSHQ Special laces. And it's the one with the Offspring and Vans print going all the way throughout the laces. And I've got to say, this marshmallow / off-white color really makes this shoe go off. It is the perfect Van for your rotation. The perfect Van for your rotation. You can wear it with shorts. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with chinos. You can wear it with crop pants. You can wear it with I was gonna say a skirt. If you're a female, you could wear it with a skirt. You could wear this with anything. Absolutely anything. And I keep looking over there because that's where the light is, but the camera is there, so I'm sorry. But yeah, you've got the leather trim on the in the ankle liner or sock liner, and then you've got the Vans logo on the insole. And a very well made, very well constructed, very well made, solid pair of Vans immediately into the rotation. And what more can I say? For people that like Vans, you need to get this. And I was surprised to see a lot of people put these on resale. Like, a lot of people bought these to resell. When the crowd say ball, my thoughts on reselling aside, it is a sign of a good shoe when it makes it to the resale market for more than it retails. Now, again, thoughts on reselling aside, as Virgil Abloh said, when people make fakes of your design or try and resell it, that is the greatest compliment. It means it was so popular, there's still a demand for it. I hope there's another collaboration in the works. Everyone is excited to see what Offspring are going to do with their Converse collaboration. I will be at the head of that queue when that drops eventually. I've got no information about that, so don't DM me about when that's going to drop. I've had several DMs about that. I don't know. And out of respect for the guys, Even if I did, gonna stay tight-lipped because it's better as a surprise. But anyway, let's look at some on-foot shots as I've been waffling enough. So yeah, that is the Vans Era 95 reissue, Vans Offspring exclusive collaboration, sold out, dope shoe, dope. Can't sing their praises enough for this, and knocked out of the park, guys. So yeah, that's that for that review. Hope you like the shoe. Don't sleep on these collaborations. Please do not sleep, because with the rise of popularity, sneakers have never been more popular. Now, you can argue with OGs till the cows come home, but let's be honest, with this social media, Instagram age, Facebook age, Discord, WhatsApp groups, sneakers have never been more popular than they are right now. So when a retailer like Offspring gets a collab, please don't sleep. I've been Kath. You've been amazing. Stay fly. Bleh.